The much anticipated Adyala Road Overhead Bridge project has finally received approval by the government. The long-awaited Adyala Road Overhead Bridge project, which is estimated to cost 1.88 billion, the state-of-the-art bridge is expected to be completed within 1.5 years, aims to address the chronic traffic congestion on this busy route, especially due to VIP movements and its proximity to the local jail. The project will not only improve traffic flow but also enhance the surrounding areas, with plans to beautify the region and highlight the cultural heritage of Potohar. The bridge will feature modern amenities including computerized LCD lights and LED advertising boards. M&A engineer Qamarul, chairman of the District Development Committee, confirmed that funds have been released and the project contract has been awarded. In this regard, about 8 canals and 11.5 marlas of land have been acquired for the Khwaja Corporation flyover on Adyala Road, which cost 317.623 million rupees. The 1,915 foot long flyover will be 52 feet wide and 16.75 feet high. The number of underground piles is 72 and 14 had been completed. The work of transferring utility services has also started, with 50% of the work so far completed, while the construction of the boundary wall was also underway. The provincial government transferred 264.314 million rupees to Islamabad Electricity Supply Company and 30 million rupees to Sui Northern Gas Pipeline Limited to shift utility lines. After the project, the Rawalpindi ring road will be connected to the city and cantonment areas with the Adyala road intersection. According to the Deputy Commissioner, a committee has also been formed to look after the quality and the speed of the construction work. 22-foot service roads would also be constructed on both sides of the flyover, adding that the work was progressing rapidly on a 10.9 kilometer road from Khwaja Corporation to Gorakhpur village at an estimated cost 1.626 billion. The provincial government had asked the administration to clear roads and remove hurdles in the smooth flow of traffic. After the completion of the flyover, the provincial government would start the work to make the mall from Amar Chowk to Motorway Chowk a single-fee corridor so that the people could enter the city and cantonment areas from Ring Road without any hurdles.